Hey guys, I wanted to do a review on these t-shirts that I wear. It's because I've had different people comment about them and like say that they like them. That's where I got them and stuff. And I feel like they're kind of country. They're stylish too, but I don't know. I like them a lot. So a couple things about them. They're super cheap. So these are called Next Level. They're like cheap meaning inexpensive. They're not like cheap quality. They're like $6 to $10. Like I wear mediums just to give you like an idea of my size. I'm 5'10" if I stretch, and I'm like 185 pounds, which is probably heavier than a lot of you guys, but that's okay. So my brother-in-law really likes them a lot too. I think they're cool for a lot of reasons. The material is awesome. So I go country dancing a lot. I do different things like that. And whenever people touch it, they're like, "Oh wow, that's like a super soft, like smooth material." And it is, but it doesn't look different. But it is different, right? So it feels great. They're super inexpensive. So I've actually had like 2 or 3 versions of this green shirt. Well, 2 or 3 of this exact same shirt. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see. So the thing is, I have ended up, and I wear a medium, by the way. That's what these are, as a medium. I like them because I feel like they like are a good like snug fit, but they're not like super tight. And I think they look great. Like when something is one single color, it makes them, it makes it like it doesn't go out of style really, right? Like I don't this t-shirt's not really gonna go out of style because it's like it's not super flashy or like have all these designs or graphics or anything, right? So I like that. I have felt like they're very durable. What I've done, the reason I've had a couple of these, and I 2 or 3, but I say that over like the last few years, is because I have stained them, right? So when I stain them, I have, if I can't get it out or whatever, I just buy a new one because they're like $6 to $10. Now that depends on the color and the size that you're gonna get. So like I've got this one here too. This one is the wine color. This one's army green. Army green's my favorite, but they have them in like all these different colors. I have black, I have brown, and stuff. I'll include a link to them to where you can buy them on Amazon. But I really like them. I like the material and everything. Yeah, and they're really durable. Like I haven't gotten like holes in them or anything. I haven't gotten like stretched out or anything like that. So I really like them. And I get a lot of compliments on them. So I thought I would just make a short video for you guys on them. Let me know if you'd like to see any other reviews like this. I've done some on boots and stuff like that, and on my truck. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. I would totally recommend that you buy one of these shirts. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.